Hello students, hope you all are fine and safe and studying well. We were discussing about the chapter Leaves Around Us, where we have discussed about different types of leaves, parts of the leaves, then why the leaf is called the food factory or kitchen of the plant, and we have seen that what should we do with the dry leaves, how can we get a good manure and make the soil fertile. So not only this, there are many uses of the leaves. They are really very useful for us. If we see the leaves of cabbage, lettuce, spinach, we eat them as vegetable. While cooking, we add some of the leaves like spices. If we say tej patta, or that is in English called bay leaf, in Hindi it is tej patta. So, we add them to give a good taste to our food. So, it acts like a spices. Same way, the leaves of basil, mint, coriander, they are used as herbs and they give a good flavor and fragrance to the food. So, whenever mother prepares very tasty food, she must be adding the mint or coriander just to garnish the food and so that the food can get a good flavor and fragrance. The leaves of neem and tulsi, they are used as medicine. You might have remembered whenever you get cough cold, your elders like dadi, nani, they used to suggest you ki add tulsi leaves, eat tulsi leaves like that, because they are a very good medicine for especially for cough, cold and other diseases also. Leaves of certain plants like sal, banyan, then we have palash, they can be used as disposable plates. Disposable means once we have used it, we can just throw them back. So, they are called disposable. So, the leaves of these plants, they are used to make disposable plates and cups. So, disposable plates in Hindi we call them pattal and the cups are called donas. So, whenever you might have visited a temple or to picnics and all, people generally use these type of plates. Why should we not use thermocol plates? Thermocol does not rot, that is from the chemical. So, it does not rot, does not mix with the soil, does not decompose and again creates lot of land pollution. Whereas, the leaves, they get easily rot and mix with the soil and they do not create any type of pollution. So, it is the proverb like anything from the nature goes back to the nature. So, leaves, they are from the nature and again they go back to the nature. They can rot easily. Rot means sad jana, rot. So, they rot very easily and then they get mixed with the soil. Have you ever visited South India? One thing is very special in South India. If we talk on like special occasions or festivals, like people, they serve food on the banana leaves. So, there in South India, they use the leaves of banana to serve the food. Even in marriages and all, they used to sit and people used to serve. So, that time they used to give the food on banana leaves and really when we eat the hot food on banana leaves, it gives us an authentic flavor. And this is the tradition, it is the custom and still people are following this in South India. So, there the banana leaves are very useful. Students, we are breathing a gas called oxygen and this gas we are getting from the leaves. So, after the process of photosynthesis, the leaves, they release the gas called oxygen. This gas is the life survival gas for all the animals and human beings. All the animals, whether it is a bird, elephant, tiger, lion, cow, goat, whatever you see, even the including insects, and we all human beings, we need this gas. So we can see that how directly we are depending on these leaves for our survival. So we are breathing this oxygen that is provided us by the leaves. During special festivals and occasions, we decorate our hands with beautiful designs of mehendi. Why do you think it is coming from? Have you ever seen the mehendi leaves? When I was a kid, we used to have a very big mehendi plant in our house, and I used to pluck the leaves, grind them and put on my hands, and it gives very beautiful color. And you know, the natural mehendi is again a good medicine also. It removes most of the skin diseases. So it's very good for the skin. So again, mehendi, on every festival you can see our hands filled with beautiful mehendi designs. So this mehendi is from mehendi leaves. Same way, if we talk on these special occasions and festivals, people used to decorate their houses with different leaves. If you go to South India, there people decorate their houses with mango leaves, and I have seen in Gujarat people decorating their house on every festival with Ashoka leaves. So again, the leaves, they brings the prosperity. It is the symbol. So why we are decorating? Because we realize, it is our belief that these symbolizes the prosperity. So we are welcoming the prosperity and goodwill to our homes. So we decorate our homes. Students, many herbivorous animals, whether it is the domestic animal like cow, goat and camels and all, or any wild animal like deer and giraffe, they all depend on these leaves as their food. That means the leaves, they serve as the food for these plant eating animals. We also call herbivores or herbivorous animals. So these leaves, they are the food for these herbivorous animals. So students, we have seen so many uses of the leaves. Sometimes we may need to pluck the leaves, but we should understand that these leaves are the life of the plant. If somebody say that I will remove your heart and you survive, is it possible? No. Same way, the leaf, it is like the heart of the plant. It is the part that helps the plant to breathe, that prepares the food. So we should avoid plucking the leaves. I agree, some of the times we need to pluck them, but we should try our best, and before plucking we should be sure that there are many leaves on that tree, so that even if we pluck one or two, it doesn't matter for the tree or the plant. Suppose a plant is hardly having one or two leaves and we have plucked them, then we should think how the plant will survive. So before plucking the plants, I know sometimes we may need to pluck the leaves, but before plucking the leaves from the plant, we should be sure that there are many leaves on that plant. So we should select the trees that are filled with the leaves, so that we can pluck one or two leaves. But for the small plants, we should be very careful. So students, it's our responsibility to take the care of the plants that are in our surroundings, that are around us. We should give them enough water, proper sunlight, so that, and the soil should also be good, so that they can grow into a healthy plant, because they are for us. They are very much useful for us. They are providing us so many things. So it is our responsibility to take care of them. Hope you will take care of the plants in your surrounding with the same. Bye. Have a nice day.